You could almost, not necessarily bore tunnels, but do other things as well. It's sort of a magical sort of craft that takes you through time and space. Yeah.
It's a vibrant, bustling place. Hundreds of people walking through here every day, construction going on, and it's a real honour and a great privilege to share these stories with the Naarm community.
What we're hoping to do with the Metro Tunnel is to reframe the way people are looking at the build sites at the moment and see the things that are quite beautiful.
I would love if people had the same sense of wonder that I get from these objects.
Nobody's getting to see these moments. They're all underground, so through my work I hope that other people can actually witness how beautiful the construction can be.
From the first time I had a dealing with the Metro Tunnel Creative Program, I was introduced to this great cohort of other artists.
I've been able to bring my own colour, energy and way of painting onto this door, and hopefully the people that are walking past are going to be surprised and uplifted by it.
I just want people to be proud of it. I want people to be proud, but I want my community to be proud of it as well.
My hope for people viewing this artwork is that they would slow down.
The work that has been put up, that's part of our story, that's been passed on over the generations within my family, and now that story could be seen and understood by everyone that passes by.